Dubai, also spelled as a Dubai city and the capital of Emirates of Dubai, one of the wealthiest of the seven emirates that constitute the Federation of the United Arab Emirates, which were created in 1971 following independence from Great Britain. There are several theories about the origin of the name Dubai. One of the associates it with the Deba, a type of a locust that infects the area, while other holds that it refers to the market that existed near the city. In recent years, Dubai has compared to Singapore and Hong Kong and is often regarded as the Middle East premier antipode area, 13.5 square miles, pop 2,919,000. Dubai is the city of skyscraper, ports and beaches where big business take place alongside sun-seeking tourism. Because of its large apparentate population, it feels like a Middle East melting point and the atmosphere is generally tolerant. Religious affiliations are not prominent except of city life. Islam is the major religion, but Christians and Hindu temples coexist with Dubai's mosque. Dubai is the relatively crime-free place where administrative efficiency and openness to business have encouraged outstanding growth. However, capitalism and the Dubai authoritarian government and ruling elite is not tolerated and therefore persists an atmosphere of direct corruption. The western area of Dubai benefits from a small stretch of sand beaches which have helped to catalyze the city tourism industry. Dubai's ruler have the south to increase the city limited seafronts, and in the absence of nature offshore island, developers were encouraged to construct a giant man-made island off the coast of the city. The most famous of these is Palm Jumeirah, which has the shape of a palm tree. Others include the World Island, a cluster of small islands positioned to resemble a world map which viewed from above. Dubai's stratas are naturally incurred Dubai Crete on the southern shores of the Persian Gulf. For more than a century, the area was Dubai's center because of the early city reliance on fishing, pearl diving, and meteorite date. Line the Creek are the oldest building in Dubai, most of which date from the 1916s and are really more than 2 stories in height. In the Basquiat Quarter on the western shore of the creek, some much older buildings have been restored, and many of these feature the distinct wind power design that was imported by Persia early in the 20th century. The new city center is a string of skyscrapers line Sheikh Zayed Road. Notable among these are the Emirates Tower, which were built in the late 19th and early 20s, and which house of the hotel and government offices. Close to Sheikh Zayed Road is the Dubai International Financial Center, house in the Fajr art-shaped building, and the Burj Khalifa, which at the time of its office opening in 2010 was the world's largest building. It was named after the Prime Minister of United Arab and Emirate of Abu Dhabi, Khalif ibn Zayed Al Nahyan. To the west, to the sky level lies several affluent cities, most of which house substantial villas. On their periphery lies the Burj Al Arab, a giant sail-shaped tower which is a home to the luxurious hotel. Further west are new cluster of skyscrapers surrounding a man-made marina and several man-made lakes. Like much of the Persian Gulf coastline, Dubai has a year-round hot climate. Humidity is high in the summer month and moderate the rest of the year. The coldest winter month is usually January with the lows of about 15 degrees Celsius, while the hottest summer month is July with high of more than 40 Celsius. Dubai population has grown steadily over the past 2 centuries from from just a few thousand locations inhabited to well over 2 million. One of the early population increases were due to merchants from neighboring countries choosing to relocate to Dubai's business-friendly environment. In later 2000th century, the city's construction boom led to a huge increase in the number of South Asian laborers and influx of skilled expatriates from all over the world who play an important role in Dubai's multi-sector economy. Expatriates in the country Western outnumber natives Emirates, with the concentration of the laborers who are housed in the work camps beyond the city limits. Expatriates of various nationalities are spread across Dubai. Although Arabic is the official language, English is in the practice the lingua franca. The local population is predominantly Muslim, and most of the expatriate population is also Muslim, although there are significant Christian, Hindu and Sikh communities. Given the tolerance of the ruling family towards non-Muslim and the city's focus on business, the various companies coexist harmoniously throughout. There have been occasions when foreign resistance have broken decency courts order drug use prohibition. Contradiction of popular beliefs, Dubai does not have an oil-based economy. The little oil wealth it did enjoy between the 1960s and 1990s was used to enhance other sectors of its economy by building physical infrastructure. Trading remains at the core of Dubai's economy, with the city operating two of the world's largest ports and the busy international air cargo hub. The Jebel Ali Free Trade Zone was established in 1980s to attract industrial investigation. Activities based there include aluminium smelting, car manufacturing, and cement production.